All right, you are now live. Hello. Hello to all 0 people in here right now. Gonna make sure it's working on my end too. Let me go ahead and get logged in. We did get the TikTok shop situation, I think, working. So now it's linked officially.
How do I
So we should be
see
good
it?
there. You would go to the profile and go to the showcase. Hello, people. Welcome in. Good to see you guys today. It's not there yet, so it'll be there though once we're officially approved slash identification goes through. But we are on the right track to have that go through. Hello, everyone, and welcome in. I actually don't know what you're painting today. What are you painting today?
I'm painting a couple of birds.
Any specific bird?
Yeah, black ones.
You don't know the breed, just black.
How they think they look like crows.
All right, guys, we're painting a couple blackbirds today. That might be crows. They might not be crows. Maybe the ravens. Who knows? But we're painting some birds today. How is everybody doing today? How are we doing on this magnificently beautiful day today?
Yeah, it really
Kind
is
of.
nice.
User says they're kind of tired. Well, it is early. It's early.
Not if you're in Australia.
Good morning, Sammy. Good morning, Sammy. How are you doing today? And welcome in. We got Nomosa saying, I was studying, but I'm tired. Well, good on you for being up early and studying, or maybe being up late and studying. Weird Smiling Rando says, your art is stunning, Alan. Thanks for being super cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Glad you enjoy it. We're going to be painting some birds today. Slowly working about it. Sammy says, about to go into work. Dreadfully. Happy to see you guys are up and painting this morning, though. Yeah. Yeah. No, Mosa says, from where I am, it's 4:30 p.m. actually. Oh, where are you from? I'm assuming that means you're not in the States. You got to be somewhere not there. Uh, and hopefully, Sammy, your work goes well. I know work can be a little dreadful on any day, but hopefully it goes smooth today. Oh, you're watching from Italy. That's exciting. I've been to Italy twice. It's very beautiful. Probably my absolute favorite place to visit. Nomosa says that, Alan, you are an amazing artist.
Thank you.
Yeah, we appreciate that, Mosa. Sammy says, it's my Friday. Oh, okay. Heck yeah. I work at T-Mobile, so it's just a lot of angry people. Oh no, are you doing the call center type of stuff or the sales type of stuff in store? I mean, I know you get angry people in customer service no matter, but I feel like working directly with mobile customers is one of those ones. J Rocks, thank you so much for the rose. Every cent goes towards our horse rescue. We really appreciate that. Um, Millie said hi from Italy. Oh, another Italian in here. We got 2 Italians in here. Spam says, good job, Alan.
I can speak Italian.
Uh-oh.
Ciao, baby.
I thought you were going to say like Mamma Mia or something, but ciao, baby. 2 Italians. Mosa said, ha ha ha, ciao. So they like your Italian. That's good. I mean, you guys probably couldn't even tell he's not from Italy, right? Upset with? Oh no, Sammy. Miguel, hello again. Welcome back, Miguel Sendol. Great to see you. Thank you so much for the Let 'em Cook. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate that. Joseph, hello. Hello again. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for catching us today. And Miguel, thank you so much for the gift. Every gift goes directly to the rescue. We really appreciate that. Marie Werlin, big shout out to you for sharing the live. Shares helps out a ton, so we appreciate that. Nice, beautiful day. How many birds will you be painting today? User asks.
2.
Just two?
Yeah, 2 birds.
Okay. Two birds.
2.
They might be ravens, they might not be.
Hide numbers.
I'm gonna put on some music for you guys too, a little background. Kate Cat. That's a fun name. Welcome to the stream and thank you for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. 2 birds on a wire, Joseph asks.
No. 2 birds lost. Flying.
Okay, I like that. Hi, Kat. Welcome in. How are you doing today? A user says, I love that song. I'm glad you like it, user. I'm going to turn it up just a tad. There we go. CJ, thank you for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Mosa asks if the painting is therapeutic for you.
Very much so. And it's spiritual, too. Brings me close to God.
AP said that was a joke from another live I watched. I didn't see your comment, so I don't see. Tasha Renee, hello, and thank you so much for the 17 roses. Every cent goes to our horse rescue, so we really appreciate that. Kat asks if it hurts your neck after a while. It doesn't really, does it? Tasha, thank you for the 4 roses.
Horrible. Need a massage.
Foster parents, hello, welcome in. Good to see you. Hope that, I believe it was hip, is doing well for you. How you've been? CJ, he's been painting since April of 2022. He's been painting on this live for 7 minutes. Trey, oh, that's cute. Thank you for the sweetie, or is it sweaty? Thank you for the teddy, regardless. Thank you so much. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate that. Joseph, his favorite animal paint is horses. User asks, how many years have you done the horse rescue? So my mom and dad bought the farm in 1989. Since they've owned the farm, they've rescued horses, but they opened an official 501c3 horse rescue in 2009. We have about, I believe it's like 15 to 20 rescue horses. Hello from Denmark. Hello, Marie from Denmark. That's so cool. That's so cool. Foster said, yes, it's good. I can lift 5 pounds now. Heck yeah. Going in the right direction. Jackie Cosplay says, OMG, I love horses. You're in the right place, Jackie. We like horses too. And user said, that's incredible. It is. It is pretty incredible. Mosa said, I'm going to study again. See ya. I enjoyed being here. Well, thank you, Mosa. Thanks for hanging out with us. You know, more than welcome to just keep us in the background if you want to just listen. But otherwise, we'll see you later, and we hope to catch you on the next stream. Make sure to follow if you haven't, and we'll see you later. Trey, he is painting 2 birds. He doesn't necessarily know the bird type, but 2 blackbirds.
They're crows.
They're crows? All right, I guess we know. I guess we know they are crows. User, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to the stream, and welcome to Alan's Angels. I'm glad to have you on the gang. What is his name? I'm just gonna call you Cece. Cece said, I got diagnosed with MS a month ago, and seeing this has given me some peace of mind. I can still paint. Yes, never give up. Never give up. You are only limited by yourself. Jackie Cosplays followed. Thank you so much for following, Jackie. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Foster asks if you have PT today, Alan.
No, I'm backing off because I can't control certain things.
Understandable. CC, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Let me fix that exposure for you guys. Big apologies. There we go. It's going to get a little flashbangy for a second. And now we should be okay. Yeah, no problem. CC. Sarah, he is painting 2 flying birds, blackbirds. Hello, Carrots. Welcome in. Good to see you. How you doing? Let me turn this music down a little tad.
Got a couple art shows coming up this weekend.
What art shows you got coming up? Sarah says, I always love your bird paintings. Well, you're in the right place, Sarah, because you're going to be seeing bird painting live today.
I'm going to the Clarence Church of Christ. They want me to give a testimony during the service. Then after the service, I'll be selling prints.
Distinguished Robot, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. CC said congrats with the exhibition. Yeah, he's been doing art shows for a while now, honestly. Foster said, I have to go. I'll see you next time, Foster. Thanks for stopping in and hanging out with us. We hope to see you again. It's always good to see you, Foster. Loopy Loop says, this is so cool. Well, glad you're enjoying Loopy. Karen New, thank you so much for the follow. And the Darling Revolution, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels, both of you. Aaron New says, I too have multiple sclerosis. This is amazing. Great job. Glad you're enjoying it.
Be a warrior.
MS Warriors. That's what we're here for. That's what we're about. And a little bit for the rescue too. The Darling Revolution said, immediate follow. I support folks with disabilities. I'm going to show them this live. Oh, for sure. You're more than welcome to show them that. Do you mind turning your hat to the side for a second? And you're more than welcome to copy this hat idea if any of them would like to try painting. Check it out. We have more posts and stuff. So yeah. And if you have questions about how we set it up, Darling Revolution, or anyone else who's watching, feel free to message us. We can kind of walk you through it a little bit. T, Taylor's Version, thank you so much for the 7 roses. Every cent goes to the rescue. We really appreciate that. Adele, Amelie, and T, thank you all for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Eli said, hi, I have spina bifida. Well, welcome in. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm sorry that you're going through that, and I hope everything's going well. Aaron said, you are a warrior. I'm truly blown away. Thank you.
Thank you.
Raven, MS, is MS like ALS?
Neurological.
I don't know. They're both neurological, right?
Yeah, I guess.
They're similar-ish. I mean, ALS is more of a more intense in terms of you perish from it. MS is, you still become disabled, but you don't perish, at least super extremely quick. Sarah asks, can MS cause the loss of ability to speak? I don't know.
Sometimes, yes. I'm working on that right now. What MS did to me is attacked the muscles in my diaphragm. So I work on that. I have a...
Yeah, let me catch up on some stuff because we've reached 10,000 likes, which means it's time for a dad joke. But first, let me catch up on some stuff. Hejkan said, love when you show up on my page. This is such a cool talent. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I see you're not following though, so if you enjoy it, make sure to drop a follow. Welder, Eli, user, thank you all for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Eli said I butchered the pronunciation. Oh no. Spina bifida. I hope that was better. I tried. I'm not great at pronunciation. Being an American, that's pretty on brand. Kira said, Alan, you're very talented. Sending love. Hejkan, thanks for following after the call out. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Nope, I tried, Eli. I'm sorry. Marie, thank you for the follow. And thank you for sharing, Gloria. Make sure, we appreciate you sharing. Sharing helps us out a ton. And I'm going to let you take it away, Dad, to tell the dad joke since it's dad joke time.
I've been thinking about this. Should the roof of your mouth be called the ceiling?
Should the roof of your mouth be called the ceiling?
That's it.
I haven't thought about it. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
What do you
Audrey,
think?
thank you for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. I think it could be called the ceiling. What do you guys think? Because it definitely isn't a roof. It's not on the outside. Sarah asks, are there any exercises that help with it? If you're referencing MS in general.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I'll let you take it away, Dad.
Do anything. Do anything. Keep moving.
You just got to keep moving, no matter what that means for you. This is the way he keeps moving. Hejkan said they're on Team Ceiling. Me too. I'm on Team Ceilings too. Natalie, thank you for the 5 roses. That's so kind of you. Lisa Ann, thank you for the heart me. Every cent goes to the horse rescue, so we appreciate that from both of you. Thank you. And Natalie, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Kaylee Bauer said, this is so inspiring. I haven't painted in years. I need to pick up the brush again. Yes. Go do it. Any words of advice or wisdom for them to start painting again?
I've got a few letters. S-T-A-R-T.
S-T-A-R-T. That's the advice. Starherd, hello. Welcome back. Starherd, says, it's like, why do they call it a driveway when you park and a parkway where you drive? Huh.
That's messed
And then
up.
Jackie said, is a mouth technically a driveway for food? Erica, thank you for the 4 roses. Raven, thank you for the heart me. Every cent goes to the horse rescue. We really appreciate that. Yeah, I think a mouth is technically a driveway for food. So then what does that make the roof of the mouth then?
Confusing.
Huh. Sarah, thank you for the rose. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's very kind of you. Batman, Kaylee Bauer, Scalita, thank you all for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Lisa Ann said, fellow MS Warrior here. Well, welcome in, Lisa Ann. It's good to have you hanging out with us.
We love you guys.
Yeah. Sarah was asking about your diaphragm. Is speaking the best exercise for your diaphragm, or do they have you do something else?
I have something I breathe into.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's
It's like a lung training kind of, right?
Yeah.
In a way.
It controls the pressure. You start at 1.
Yeah.
You keep turning it up.
Mm-hmm.
Couldn't do 1 at the beginning. Now I'm all the way to 5.
Heck yeah.
That's as high
That's great
as it
news.
goes. And I do that every day. 10 times. Or at least that's what I tell my wife.
Vicky says, why do we mop with a mop but not broom with a broom?
messed up.
That's a good question. Sarah said that's good to hear. It is good to hear. I actually didn't know that. Beth, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Natalie, thank you for the share. Shares help us out a ton, so we appreciate that. Couple more things coming in. Elle said, "This is beautiful. As an artist, I wish you the best." Elle, thank you. And thanks for hanging out with us, fellow artists. What type of art do you do? Raven, thank you for the donut. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's so kind of you. Susan says, "This is my first time here, and I just wanted to say hello, and I think you're very strong, Alan."
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for hanging out with us, and welcome to Alan's Angels.
Rely.
Serena says, "Jesus loves you. Jesus is God. He's the artist of all things." Oh, for sure. We're big believers here, and thank you for the kind words. We hope you're doing well, Serena. Jackie says, "Singing is great for the diaphragm." Oh,
Yeah, oh, definitely. Yep,
yeah. I haven't thought about that myself, but singing is a great
it
way
is.
to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Maybe we should do some singing streams. I don't know if you guys would enjoy that, but I don't know if you'd
Oh,
enjoy that,
yeah.
Dad.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Oh man. Starherd said, "Oh yeah, oh no." I don't think I've heard you sing ever. Maybe.
No, probably not.
Starherd, thank you so much for the share. Shares help us out a ton, so we appreciate that. BJ Brenner, welcome in and thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Good to have you guys here today. Where we got
Swipe
people
up.
watching from? I know we had two Italians earlier, so they're living it up over there, having delicious food and wine and stuff. A little jealous, not gonna lie. Cass says, "I was
Swipe up.
just diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Do you have any advice for me?"
Keep living, baby.
Mm-hmm. It's not the end.
Don't let it knock you down.
Exactly,
Swipe up.
Cass. Michelle, thank you for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Yeah. Um, Cass said, "Hell yeah, thank you for the encouragement." And Jackie said, "Best advice for all diagnoses is to be honest."
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Get busy living
Or get busy dying.
or get busy dying.
Miona, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. It's great to have you guys in here. Old Timer Jeff says, "Awesome, much respect. Glad you're enjoying it, Old Timer. Welcome and thanks for hanging out with us, Jeff." Yeah, it is pretty good advice for any diagnosis because it's very easy to give up. You know, it's a lot harder to keep pushing, but it's
The
worth it.
one thing they can't take away is what you're thinking about.
Starherd said, "Every time you say Alan's Angels, I think of Charlie Angels."
Yeah, I like that show.
Hello, Sun. Welcome in. Sun said, "I'm not sure if you saw my comment reply, but if you'd like to share the paintings that I purchased, I wouldn't mind at all if you post them." Okay. We will have to do that then because they're one of the people who sent or commented pictures of what they did with the art after they got it. So, yeah, thank you for letting us know. We'll probably be throwing it up on the story either today or tomorrow. Got a little bit of a backlog on things to do on TikTok, but we appreciate you coming in, let us know, and I'm glad you enjoy the pieces as well. If I remember correctly, I think it was, where did it go? Monarchs, if I'm not mistaken. thought we had the photo saved on our end somewhere, but I guess not. I'll have to go find it again. But yeah, thank you for letting us know. How's everyone doing? We got a couple people, probably some new peeps in here. How you guys doing? Haley, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to Allen's Angels. It's great to have you. Mr. MicMac11, hello. Mr. MicMac said, MS medicine has come a long way. I have MS too, but God bless him for persevering.
He certainly has.
Mm-hmm. He blesses us all the time. I mean, you didn't think you'd be this, in terms of being an artist. But
No.
here you are. Ash, he's painting birds. I'm not sure what you're working on at the moment, though. What is the bird holding?
What?
Is the
Don't
bird holding
ask.
something? Okay, don't ask.
Don't ask. Just keep thinking.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta start somewhere.
Jennifer, thank you for following. Welcome to Allen's Angels. Yes, part of our thing is trusting that process. So trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Um, Dahlia said, wow, I was feeling discouraged about my art and debating if I should paint today. I'm now inspired.
Yeah, paint.
Mm-hmm.
The world needs painters.
They do. Dahlia, yeah, go. You can even just hang out here and draw along with us. We have people who hang out in the chat and, listen to us while they do chores or paint. Dahlia said, the world needs painters. So well spoken. Amen. Amen. Lindsay, hello, Lindsay. Lindsay says, I'm a disabled watercolor artist as well. It's so inspiring to see this. Oh, that's exciting. We love to have
Nice.
fellow artists hanging out with us. What is your, well, I know your medium of choice is watercolor. What is your, I guess, subject of choice? My dad here usually mostly focuses on nature and animals. Sometimes buildings, if he's feeling spicy. Starhurt says it's always a good time to paint. Mm-hmm, for sure. Dahlia said, I'm definitely going to paint along with you. My current project is also blue-toned. Okay. Well, yeah, paint along. Hang out with us, and, we hope we are a nice thing to have on the background for you. Thanks for chilling. Lindsay said, I'm so glad to see and know... Oh, I'm so glad to see and know that no matter where my health takes me, there's always a way to make art.
Yep.
Always a way. Mm-hmm. Guy Fieri Hot Dog, hello. Guy Fieri Hot Dog says, I'm an artist with MS2. I was diagnosed in 2023. I got lucky with treatment. I'm happy to see others painting.
Good for you.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. We love people who persevere in paint. Lindsay says, I usually paint landscapes or nerdy stuff. Oh.
Me too.
Dahlia, thank you for the follow and welcome to Allen's Angels, not Charlie's. Allen's. Dahlia asks, when did you discover your love for art? So I can answer this partially. You started painting in April of 2022, and it was originally just for something to do, but when did you discover that you loved it?
The more I did it, the more it took a hold of me.
Firebird87, thank you for the rose. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate that. Yeah, so even though you didn't necessarily love it immediately,
I didn't know.
it grew on you. Is that right?
Yeah.
A asks, who is your favorite artist? Sammy, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to Allen's Angels. Lindsay, thank you for the rose. Every cent goes towards our horse rescue, so we really appreciate that.
Oh. That's easy. I am
Couple more comments coming in, but first, Miona just let us know we reached 20,000 likes, so it's dad joke time. But let me catch up on some stuff, Miona. We're going to tell it in a second. Lindsay, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Jackie says, I'm a digital artist, but I love watching people do more physical media because of the hardness. Yeah, they're both different. They're both art for sure. Jackie, if you're looking for something to do, you can paint along with us, digital art along with us, and hang out. Dahlia said, this reminds me of The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. It kind of is a little bit. Clefairy, oh, the Pokemon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Courtney Madams, yes, he does sell originals, prints, and commissions. They are all available. Check profile about me. And you'll see it there. There's also an art gallery available, as well as an interview. Check his about me. So I'm going to let you take it away, Dad, because we just reached 21,000, so we're well above that 20,000 goal for a dad joke.
I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. I'm finding it impossible to put down.
I'll let that marinate for a second. The Water Queen, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Lindsay, thank you for the finger heart. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate that. Dahlia and Jackie both liked that one a lot. Glad you guys liked that. Glad you guys liked that. Okay, let's see what we got going on now. It looks like we're getting the second bird in this image.
Bye.
Miona also liked the dad joke. Dahlia asks, what are your favorite colors to paint with? Patricia, tell us. Thank you so much for the rose. Every cent goes to the rescue. We really appreciate that.
Right now it's black. I'm live streaming. Yeah, I'm painting. Look at my door.
Couple pieces of paper there.
Thank you.
Couple prints.
Ciao.
Got a little visitor, that's all right. Petropoda, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Zoe, welcome to Alan's Angels. Thank you for the follow. This is actually a great little piano song. I'm enjoying this. Misty, the stylist, welcome in. Misty followed. Thank you for the follow, Misty. Welcome to Alan's Angels. And Misty says, this is beautiful work, Alan.
Thank you.
Prints, originals, commissions, check the about me. Sierra Hanny said, oh my gosh, how amazing. Glad you liking it. Z Lan said, beautiful. Are they crows or ravens?
What do you want them to be?
We'll leave it up to viewers' discretion of what they are. That works for me. That works for me. Oh, I don't know what you would like me to call you because your name is a lot of letters. I'm just going to call you Jenny because of JNY. Let me know if you want to be called something else. But Jenny, thank you so much for the finger heart and the roses, the 4 finger hearts, the 4 roses. Every cent goes directly to support our horse rescue, so that's very kind of you. Thank you so much, Jenny. Ryan said, so talented. Gwen said, crows. This tells a story. It's Evelyn. Okay. Thank you, Evelyn. That's very kind of you. Evelyn said, "Hi, saw your painting and it looks amazing. Glad you enjoyed it, Evelyn. And thank you so much for supporting our horse rescue with the gifts. That's so kind of you." Toxic said, "Love the art. Glad you're enjoying it." Lindsay asked, "Do you only paint with watercolor? I would love to see what you could create with
Yes.
gouache."
Buy me some.
We have had a lot of people actually mention gouache painting. So we should probably look into it. Black Friday's coming up. Maybe get a little deal on
You're coming
Amazon.
up. You're
I'm
coming
coming up, so I could also buy him something. You never know. Gabby said, "Beautiful work. They look to me a little like a shadow of a hummingbird." Oh, kind of in a way. I get it. I see it. Bethany, Gwen, thank you both for the follows. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Zelian said, "Anything. They are just stunning." Shay Leanne. Gotcha. Thank you so much, Shay Leanne, for being patient with my American pronunciation of words. Shay Leanne. I'll try to remember that, Shay. Thank you. Charlie and Joe, thank you for the rose. Tats, thank you for the finger hearts. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate that. Sarah WR said, "I have MS too. Welcome in." Gwen said, "Ha ha ha. Someone in the chat, buy him some. Gift it."
Right.
Well, if someone wants to look up how much that is and then gift us the amount, more than welcome to. But no, every cent goes right to the horse rescue. So all gifts go to that. Meow, thank you for the follow. Shay, thank you so much for the follow. Andy, thank you for the follow. Dominam, that's a cool name. Thank you for the follow. All of you, welcome to Alan's Angels. Charlie and Joe said, "Wow, that's so cool. Love letter to my life. When was he diagnosed?" He was diagnosed in 2005. OYIN, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Shay, thank you so much for the share. Shares help us out a ton, so we appreciate that. Thank you. It helps us get some more reach, and we appreciate that. Got 74 people in here. How's everyone doing? Where's everyone watching from today? Earlier, we had a couple Italians. Sure, we got some Americans in here. Where else we got? I think we had someone from Denmark. Jackie said, "I'm going to head out for now. Have a lovely rest of the day." Hey, Jackie. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for, I believe you followed. Thanks for following. You did. And we hope to see you again. We stream Monday and Thursdays at 11 a.m. EST. So check us out, and we hope to see you on the next one. Shay says, "I'm in California, and you want to share this with your friends." Well, thank you so much, Shay, for doing that. Saturn, thank you for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. We got Lindsay from Missouri. We got Bethany from Idaho. Mallory from South Carolina. Uh-oh. You're not going to like this. Someone named Miami Dolphins are number one is from Florida.
Didn't they just play?
Yeah, you guys just absolutely whooped us. We're Bills fans. So enjoy the high this week. And you guys absolutely destroyed us. Ugh, I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. Divine B said, "Amazing artistry. Glad you're enjoying it." Dominam said, "Good old US of A, Massachusetts." We got Tash from Queensland, Australia. There it is. There's our Australian. We always get one in the chat. Thanks for hanging out with us, Tash. Shelly Cecile, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Jewel, thank you for sharing the live. Shares help us out a ton, so we appreciate that. I'm Too Sweet for You said, "Wow, that's awesome." Cece said, "See you soon." From Denmark. If that means you're heading out, Cece, thanks for hanging out with us. We hope to see you on the next stream. Got a Canadian in here. Alex, what part of Canada? We're pretty close to Canada. Greetings from Lions Country. Okay, I got no problem with the Lions. They are probably my second favorite team, you know. The Lake Bros, and also just, you know, pretty cool. From Quebec. Okay. So that's kind of Canada, doesn't? If I'm not mistaken, Quebec thinks of themselves as kind of separate from Canada in a way. French, yes, yeah. I took French in high school, but that did not that did not go very far. So I can say bonjour, and that's about it. Divine B, yes. Alan does sell his art. Every single piece sold supports the horse rescue that he and his wife, my mom, run. Check out the About Me on our profile. You can see a gallery is there, an interview, and Prince Originals commissions. Every cent supporting our horse rescue. Thanks for asking, Divine, and let me know if you have questions. We're going to be setting up TikTok Shop soon, so we'll have that shortly, hopefully, in the next week or two. And that'll help us out sharing it with you guys. Mildew said, "This is amazing. The flow of crows and ravens' wings is amazing. I love the shadow figure too." Yeah, I love it. It's very wispy. Oh, we got some from Washington State. Welcome in, Mama Tika. Stacy and Moni16, thank you both for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Divine B said, "Horses love those beautiful creatures." Divine B, you got to check out the TikTok page / the About Me, because on our external platform, we have a lot of horses available, a lot of different horses available. He's a big horse painter, but today we're doing birds. Audrey said, "It is truly incredibly amazing. Glad you're enjoying it." Star Herd said, "I would have loved to learn French. I took one class and I couldn't go back because I moved back to MS." Well, fair enough, Star Herd. French is a beautiful language, and I just didn't take school seriously, so I Yeah, you can YouTube. You got Duolingo out there now. Alex said, "Yes, a lot of French people want that Quebec to become a country, but it is not." Okay, okay. Cinnamon, he has primary progressive multiple sclerosis. Mildew says, "Alan, you have such a good eye for composition and movement." Your voice trailed off there, but he did say, "Thank you." Brenda said, "Wow, that's beautiful." Audrey shared the live. Thank you for sharing, Audrey. Divine B said, "The crows brought me to the live." Well, Divine B, I'm glad you're enjoying it. These might be something we put on and post at some point, so keep an eye out, Divine. We also have other ravens and crows available on our About Me. Alex, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Mildo, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. We just got 30,000 likes, which means it's time for a dad joke, but first let me catch up on the chats. Jewel said, "I hope one day my art is this beautiful. I have to go to work, but YouTube made my morning." Jewel, you got to stick around for a little longer. We're about to tell a dad joke. Starherd said, "YouTube, yeah, heck yeah." Alex said, "Amazing work." Good Soup said, "What an amazing piece you are doing. Glad you're enjoying a good soup." Andy said, "So talented." Jewel and Kate both filed that welcome to Alan's Angels, and I will let you take it away for the dad joke.
Do you know why tennis players never get married?
Do you know why tennis players never get married? I do not.
They think love is nothing.
Let that marinate for a second. Jewel said, "Ha." So I'm glad you stayed, Jewel, before you went to work to get your joke in.
Could share it.
Yeah. Share it at work today, maybe, Jewel. And good luck and hope your workday goes well, speedy, and without much problems. Good Soup liked that one as well. Yeah, no problem, Jewel, and have a great rest of your day. Monday and Thursdays, 11 a.m. EST is when we stream. We started a little early, actually, today. Uh-oh, you're hitting the mic a little bit. You might want to drive forward just a tad if you want to adjust.
Sorry.
That actually works too. Either one. No, it's okay. It's all good. Just wanted to let you know. We got 73 people watching. Hello, everyone, and thanks for hanging out with us. For those who you don't know, Alan's been painting since April of 2022. He's only painted this way, and he does this specifically to support the horse rescue that he and his wife run, my mom and my dad run. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with us, liking and watching. Lay Ann, thank you so much for the follow. Christy Cat, thank you for the follow. Both of you, welcome to Alan's Angels. Glad to have you guys here. So nice to have you guys here. Beans, that's a fun name. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Mia said, oh, that's an awesome way to paint. Your art is so lovely. Glad you're liking it. Also, I love the Kirby PFP. Is that from Kirby's Air Ride? I think it might be. I can't tell. Kirby's Air Ride was a lot of fun. Bethany said, once I get a job, hopefully today, I'll help support. Bethany, does that mean you have an interview today? That's exciting. Scrumptious says, Alan, you're so talented.
Thank you.
He said thank you. Starherd said, I missed a few paintings on live, but I have a good reason. I had my son a month ago.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. You know, I don't know if that's a great excuse. We still expect you to be here, Starherd, but congratulations. You said you're getting ready for a checkup. Well, good luck. That's really exciting. That's really exciting, though, Starherd. And said, God bless you both. Thank you. Thank you.
Certainly is.
Starherd said, thank you. I'll definitely try my best next time. Doesn't matter where you are, Starherd, whether you're, you know, no matter where you are, you got to make sure you join. Even if you're there and it's happening, you still got to be there. So we expect you there, Starherd. Cinnamon says, does Alan get PT?
What's that?
Physical therapy. Stacy,
Yeah.
Vane, and Tin, thank you all for the gifts. Every cent goes to the rescue, so we really appreciate that. Dad, can you hear me still?
Yes.
Hello.
I hear you.
Okay, good. Just making sure, because looks like my internet on my end cut out for a second. Devone said, let him speak.
Speak.
There you go, Devone. Hope you're happy. Bethany said, I do have an interview today. I'm excited. Well, good luck, Bethany. That's extremely exciting.
Yeah.
Is extremely exciting. Leanne, Scrumptious, thank you both. Well, Leanne, thank you for the share. Share us up episode. Tell me, appreciate that. Scrumptious, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Jojo, thank you for the you're awesome and love you so much. Every cent goes to the horse rescue, so we appreciate that. Princess Prep says hello from Australia. We got a second Australian. Welcome in, Princess Prep. Cinnamon says, good. I'm a physical therapist. That's why I asked. Cassie, thank you for
that's my goal.
That's your goal. And thank you for the you're awesome, Cassie. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's very kind of you. Chloe and Mama Tika, thank you both for following. Welcome to Alan's Angels. Bethany said, also, I love your work, Alan.
Thank you.
Princess Prep, thank you for the rose. Bridge, thank you for the heart me. Bridge saved up some money finally and sending us gifts again. So thank you, Bridge. Welcome back in. Good to see you. Every cent goes to the rescue. We appreciate it, guys. Mary Ann, thank you for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. And Bridge sending in the go popular. Thank you so much, Bridge. Very, very kind. Shane says, this bird is 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Yeah, good morning to you too, Bridge. How have you been? How you doing? Good to see you again. C, thank you so much for the rose. It's very kind of you. Every cent supports our rescue, so thank you. horse rescue.
How long
Thank you.
has it been since I started painting?
Since you started painting, it's been about 50 minutes and 13, 14, 15 seconds.
That's how long it takes to do a painting.
Give or take. Bridge said, just been missing you guys. Hope all is well with both of you. Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
I'm doing great.
Yeah, I'm doing pretty decent. I can't complain. Shanigans threw an emoji to the chat. Well, welcome in, Shanigans. Thanks for hanging out with us. Prince Originals commissions all available. Check the TikTok About Me page on our profile. Cassie, thank you so much for following and welcome to Alan's Angels. So glad to have you guys here today. Shelton 1, thank you so much for the follow and welcome to Alan's Angels. Mickey says, beautiful, Alan.
Thank you, Nikki.
Mickey, like Mickey Mouse with an M. But close enough.
Ah,
Best you're getting, Mickey. Can't win them all. Oh, good news, Dad. You just passed 21,000 followers. Wow.
ding, ding, ding.
You guys are awesome. Thank you guys. Very, very kind of you. Lay Ann, yes. Lay Ann, check our profile under our About Me. Prince Originals and commissions with every cent supporting the horse rescue.
Come on in. Who is it?
Yes, Bridge, thanks for letting them know.
Can you help me?
TikTok yells at me a little bit whenever I mention it directly, so thank you, Bridge. All right, we're switching pieces of paper real quick. I don't know if you want to show. You're in a good spot, Dad, if you don't want to move around too much. Slay, thank you for the follow. I have the mic muted if you're worried about that. Slay, thank you for the follow. Welcome to Alan's Angels. We did just reach 40,000 likes, so we'll do a Jad joke in a second. La Josie, thank you so much for the hand hearts. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's so kind of you. McKenna said so beautiful. Glad you're enjoying it, McKenna. Peyton Renee, thank you for the follow. And Peyton Renee, thank you for the rose. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's so kind. Speaking of that, Shakira, thank you for the rose. Peyton, thank you for the heart me. Squiddy, he has been painting since April of 2022. He painted that painting in about 53 minutes. He's getting help switching it right now, which is why he's muted. Bridge, thank you for sharing the live. Sharing helps us out a ton, so we appreciate that. Peyton Renee, welcome to Alan's Angels. Thank you for following.